Hi, so today I will be showing you my assignment 1 Flappy Bird for the ethics course, for the Harvard course. So basically, let's start with the pipe pairs. So what I did was in the play state, I created this new variable and implemented it. Instead of the 2 that was here, I changed it for the spawn DT. So now it has, as you can see here, it's randomized. In the score state update for the medals that you would win, I just added some pictures of bird medals because the first one that I added didn't work for some reason, and I created a function for them, and then I made it so that when the player receives a certain score, they would get the medal shown, and a text saying that they want the bronze medal, the silver, or the gold. Now for the pause update, what I did was I went to the play state again and I added a new function, which is here. If they pressed the P in the keyboard, then everything would pause in the game. Thank you.